guys, welcome back to Cooking What's in the Cupboard. My name is Capricia, and today we're going to be having a one-pot chicken scampi meal. It's going to be very hearty, very delicious, and if you're interested in seeing how I made it and how it turned out, stay tuned.
So the first thing my mom's gonna do is melt some butter, and she's putting up chopped chicken thighs into the butter to cook it. She used the chicken thighs because she said that they're a little bit more moist than chicken breast. So she's gonna let those cook for about 10 minutes, maybe 15. Then she's gonna take them out and add in some chopped onions and start cooking those in the same pot. She added in a little bit of extra butter as well. And now she's going to add in some minced ginger. You could use ginger powder, or not ginger, garlic. You can use garlic powder if you want to. Now she's gonna add the chicken back in to cook them and season them in the garlic and onions. And then she took 2 cups of water and took a chicken bouillon cubed and mixed it in. And then she added some white wine, 1 cup of white wine. You could also use 2 cups of chicken broth and then a cup of water if you don't want to use wine, or if you don't have a bouillon cube. And she's gonna let it cook after she added the pasta. That takes about 7 minutes. And once that's done, she's gonna add in some pepper, salt, and chili flakes with some fresh parsley. And now she's adding in some lemon juice. You can use a lime if you don't have a lemon, or you can use lemon pepper, that works as well. Now she's gonna give everything a nice stir before she adds in the vegetables. This meal takes about 20 minutes to make. She chopped up some cherry tomatoes and added those in. And then she's going to add in some fresh spinach. You can also use frozen spinach. Another thing you could add if you wanted to, you could also add in some like yellow or red or green bell peppers. I think that would have added a little bit more color to the meal, and it would have made it taste even better. But now she's gonna mix it all together. The spinach is gonna cook down, and she did actually add in some more spinach off camera. She's just stirring it up and making sure it's all mixed in and all the flavors are evenly distributed. And that's it. And the meal is done. It's really good and super tasty, and I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe.
Okay guys, we're finished with the one-pot chicken scampi, and I must say it smells good and it looks so good. So I'm going to taste it with you guys. And I'm super excited because it's my first time ever making this chicken scampi. My version of chicken scampi. So, try to get a little bit of everything on the plate. Well, on the fork for one good yummy bite. I don't want that piece of chicken. Okay, here we go. This is delicious. That is very, very good. Not to toot my own horn, but it's really, really good. You're taking forever too. Okay. It's really, really good. It's very tasty. It's nice and hearty. And we have some, what we added was some garlic bread. And then if you like, you can also add a little bit of Parmesan cheese on the top. It's up to you. And if you're interested in seeing more of my recipes, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you'll know whenever I upload. And stay tuned, guys. Bye. Hey guys, welcome back to Cooking What's in the Cupboard. And today I am going to be making a one-pot chicken scampi meal with a twist. Hey guys, it's Capricia. Hey guys, it's Capricia and welcome back to Cooking What's in the Cupboard. And today we're having a one-pot chicken scampi meal. So if you're interested in seeing how I made it, hey guys, welcome back to Cooking What's in the Cupboard. My name is Capricia and today we're making a one-pot chicken scampi meal. Why are you laughing?
I don't know why I'm nervous.
Okay.
Go ahead. 3, 2, 1. Okay, now your outro.
Okay. Hey guys. Okay. Okay. Here is the one-pot chicken scampi.
Pick up. Start over.
Okay. So.
Oh, you're gonna have to cut all of that out, Mommy.
And if you're interested in seeing more of my menus,